Each launch had a cake, and it was made by a local bakery. They would bring it in, put it on the head table. It stayed there as long as they did. Sometimes that was a few days, sometimes it was 10 or 11 days. Then we'd put it in the freezer, and if they landed in California, it got sent to California some way on one of the planes. When they start landing here in Florida, we would take it out of the freezer and have it for landing. I don't think anybody ever ate it. If there was an astronaut birthday, we certainly did celebrate. If they were on land, we celebrated. If they would be in space, we made a special cake. There is a recipe in one of my books that was the only cake that could fly because it wouldn't crumble. It is so dense. It's almost like eating pudding. On launch day, we prepared a snack for them. Each one requested what they wanted, what kind of a sandwich or whatever. And we also packed a food locker, a big square box with requests in it. But they carried on their sandwich, whatever it was they requested. It usually was just a sandwich, of course. But they had pockets on their legs of their pants. And that's where they would put the sandwiches. Time for launch, I am always there, no matter what time of day. Sometimes it was morning, sometimes afternoon, and sometimes night. If it was breakfast time, no matter what meal it was, they chose what they wanted to eat. And each one, of course, wanted something different, and we prepared that for them. They had their breakfast, they had their photographs, and we hugged and kissed them goodbye, and they went out to the suit room and got suited up. And then when they were ready to leave to get on the elevator, we all gathered at the door and, hooted and hollered and waved while they got on the elevator to go down to the bus. I'm Miss Dotti, and that's my untold story from the Rocket Ranch.